Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 7.9, Question number 12. A halo cone with base radius A centimeter and height B centimeter is placed on a table. Show that the volume of the largest cylinder that can be hidden underneath is 4 over 9 times the volume of the cone. Here in the figure given AC. AC is the height of the cone B centimeter, and CD is the radius of the cone A centimeter, and BC is the height of the cylinder H centimeter. Now from the figure, AB equal AC minus BC. Here AC is B centimeter and BC is H centimeter, that is B minus H. In the diagram, look at this triangle, that is here triangle ABE and ACD are similar. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACD. Therefore, we can write the ratio AB over BE. Here AB over BE is equal AC over CD. AC over CD. Regarding that, we write B minus H, B is R and AC is B and over A. From that we can get the value of R. R is A over B, B minus H. Volume of cylinder B equal pi R squared H. So pi R is A squared by B squared, B minus H the square into H. So we'll split like B pi A squared B squared into B minus H whole square is B squared plus H squared minus 2BH into H, which is equal pi A square over B square into BH, B squared H here B squared volume is pi A squared B squared, then B minus H whole square is B squared H squared minus 2BH, B squared H plus H cube minus 2BH squared. Then volume equal now differentiating volume with respect to differentiate V with respect to H, we'll get dV by dH equal pi A squared over B squared, and then we have with respect to H means it comes here B squared plus 3h squared minus 4bh. Let it be equal to 0. Then we can get, so if it is 0, pi a square over b square is 0. From that we can write b square minus 4bh plus 3h squared equal to 0. Here it's a quadratic in terms of b. We'll solve here. That is 3h squared we have to solve 3h squared. You have to split. Last time 3h squared you have to split as minus 3h minus 1h. So we have to split like b squared minus 3bh minus 1bh plus 3h squared equal to 0. Then take b common, b minus 3h minus h common, b minus 3h equals 0. Therefore, b minus 3h, b minus h equals 0. Therefore, b equal 3h and b equal h. Here, b is height, h is the height. Here, there is no chance to get b equal to h. So, because here cylinder height and cone height is not equal, so b is not equal to h. We can say therefore we got b equal to 3h. Therefore h equal to b by 3. Now we'll do second derivative d square v by dv square d square v by dh square. Already dv by dh we have this full. Therefore we have pi a square b square, then 6h minus 4b. Now that critical number h equal to here b by 3. So we have to substitute d squared v by dh squared at h equal b over 3. We can solve this. Pi a squared over b squared, then h equal b by 3. Therefore 6 into b by 3 minus 4b. So which is equal pi a square over b square. 3 and 6 is cut as 2b minus 4b, which is the negative value lesser than 0, because 2b minus 4b is minus 2b. So we can say v is maximum at h equal b by 3. Next, here after that we will find the maximum volume. Volume of cylinder, volume of the cylinder is, we will put b equal to h by 3, h equal to b by 3. Therefore volume equal pi a squared over b squared, b minus h cube, h square, b minus h and h. So we'll substitute the values. Pi a squared over b squared, b is b, h is b minus 3 the square with h, which is equal pi a square over b square, b minus b by 3 is 2b by 3 the square h, which is equal pi a squared over b squared, 4b squared over 9 into h also b by 3, therefore which is pi a squared over b squared, 4 by 9, 4 by 9, 4 by 27 you can put it, 27 into b cube. So we'll get back, we'll split pi a squared over b squared, then b square and b cube is cut, so we have pi a squared b squared and 4b by 3 into 9 is 27, so we can split this one as 4 by 9 into pi a squared b squared, 5 this one b now which is we had to write here, which is equal 4 over 9 is 1 by 3 pi a squared b. Here will not be there, this one we get from this b by 3, therefore which is equal 4 by 9 into volume of the cone, volume of cone, because already volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi a squared b, therefore hence we can see the largest volume the largest volume of cylinder that can be had in the given cone, given halo cone, equal 4 by 9 the volume of cone. We proved, we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.